heard something up there. Oh, well, now that's okay.
Let's check this one out.
I'm alright with this.
Did you see that flash?
I heard screaming.
On July 2, 1863, Confederate Major General John Bell Hood's division captured Devil's Den and the ridge above it in a bloody struggle that lasted about 1.5 hours. Devil's Den became a nest of Confederate sharpshooters who took aim at the Union Army at Little Round Top, which continued until the end of the Battle of Gettysburg on July 3, 1863. After the war, the area at the foot of Little Round Top and Devil's Den became known as Slaughter's Pen because the area was found to be almost completely covered with the dead and the wounded.
Hi guys, welcome to another adventure with Holly's Lore. We are back in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, but this time we are at Devil's Den. And also Slaughter Pen is right here to our left and behind us. Now, Devil's Den, there's supposed to be a man in a floppy hat seen here. And in Slaughter Pen, they say there's a little girl in a white dress. There's lots of stuff that happened in the battle. I don't remember. There's so much to this battle. The Battle of Gettysburg. It's hard to keep it all straight.
Devil's Den is where the Union soldiers hid
Yeah, that's right.
as the Confederate soldiers was coming through what they call a slaughter pen, is where the majority of Confederate soldiers were killed and the bodies were just left laying here. That's why it was considered slaughter pen.
I don't understand that. I couldn't really find anything on the little girl in the white dress, so that doesn't really go with it, but we'll see.
Yeah, I don't understand that either, unless it may have been a little girl that fell off the rocks.
At one time, possibly. I have to dig into that a little bit more to see if there's any truth behind it, because we all know how legends can go. Let's, I guess, head up here.
And supposedly there's a cave somewhere in the rocks.
Yeah. Holly's not going in. I don't like caves to begin with, let alone at night. Sorry, guys. You want to go in the cave, you're going to have to come up and do it. I'm not doing it.
Yeah, depends. I may venture in.
I don't know. There's something about caves that just really freak me out. It's so cool looking.
Yeah, I don't think my butt's fitting in that.
That's not the cave, money.
Well, that is one of the crevices they talk about. Oh. If you can fit through the first hole.
It opens up, doesn't it?
If you guys can see back in there, I'm trying. I'm just too big to...
Turn the light there.
You guys see how big these rocks are.
I heard something up there.
Oh, there's a rock.
Now remember, guys, if you hear or see anything, please put it in the comments. I could really use your help, because I can't catch it all. Something's rattling.
If y'all seen on the last video, we spooked up a baby possum.
Oh, well, now that's okay.
Let's check this one out.
I'm alright with this.
And I don't have to duck very far to get in here.
I don't have to duck at all.
Oh, that's alright being a midget. Huh.
We shouldn't have to worry about snakes this time of year.
Huh. Well, that leads back out. This is pretty open. If this is what they're considering...
No, there's a hole. I saw in a video.
Watch this step.
I'm turning around. Can't see. Whoa. Big.
Yeah, just turn around and go back that way. I don't think you want to try to climb up this.
Okay, not a problem. I can do that. Hold on a minute. Get my foot right here.
Oh.
Oh, those rocks are cold.
Man, that's a big rock. I bet that thing is heavy.
Okay, thank you. You didn't say what I was thinking. Thank you.
Well, that's a lot of weight bearing on that one. That stress fracture in that rock.
Well, get the hell out of there.
Ah, nah. I'm not scared. What's he gonna do? Crush me?
Yeah. And then I'll be coming back to visit your ghost.
That's right. No, you won't. Because I'm gonna follow your ass home and spook you.
Promise. I didn't see the cave that they were talking about. Maybe over here.
There's a bridge there.
I think we're gonna have to come back sometime during the day. Yeah.
Huh.
And I'm on you. Let's walk up there a little bit. Walk over here first.
Yeah.
I think the girls might get a little kick out of us reading it. Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know, Shy. I'd be scared. Shy ain't gonna take off.
She's a little daredevil. She's not scared. Well, there's no sense in being scared.
I'm not scared. I'm just cautious.
Huh.
Oh, that's where that one thing was. We came up and around, isn't it?
No,
That's a good one.
this is a different spot.
No, I get lost kind of easily.
lost in the backyard.
No, I don't. Quit exaggerating.
Yeah, I'm not as sure-footed as I used to be. I'm not going to climb up there.
Thank you.
Back in the day, I'd have scaled these rocks.
Don't it suck getting old, man?
No, it sucks being hurt. Why'd you hurt me?
Shouldn't have back talked. I wouldn't have kicked you in the knee. Hear a train out in the distance.
You know what?
Honey, please be careful.
Yeah.
Shine my light down so they can see how far up we are. Here. Is that water?
Yeah.
I didn't hear that when we first came in. I heard voices. Kind of sounds like something's coming through the woods. Did you see that flash?
Sounds like the wheels on a cannon.
Holy crap. My camera's not picking up that far. Now it sounds more down here. Before it was up here. And right about there is where I saw that quick flash. It was like a orangish color. It does sound like something rolling. Oh my goodness. There's Slaughter's Pen, right? Where we were looking?
Yeah, that whole lower area down there, Slaughter's Pen.
That's where all the Confederate soldiers were killed.
Watch your step.
Up here, I don't hear that noise. Stop and listen. That's weird. I don't hear that sound anymore. You gonna walk up this way? Up to the cannon? Yeah, I just tripped. I didn't fall, so we're good.
Oh,
Oh, we could have drove all the way up here.
yeah.
I didn't know that.
I didn't either.
No, well, it didn't kill us to walk. Yeah, look at that tree.
So, we are here.
I want to go down to the wheatfield. Some people have actually caught apparitions down there.
It's a little round top, Devil's Den. Wheatfield is right to our.
Are these supposed to be the cannons? Is there a legend? I don't see a legend.
Yeah, so the wheatfield is behind us.
Okay. We'll have to get down there sometime.
Yeah, so there are the cannons.
Okay. Okay. And I guess these are rocks?
These are the rocks.
Well, I was just thinking rocks because Little Round Top had a bunch of rocks too.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Sorry if I got the camera a little close there, folks.
Here, check out this tree. With no leaves on it, it's really creepy looking. I don't know if it's
Oh, it
picking
looks-
it up or not.
Very, very lightly.
Let's get a little closer.
Kind of looks like a hanging tree.
It does. That's...
Oh, that's an old white oak. Yeah.
I heard screaming. was standing down there and I just got a real strong whiff of beer. Like, I guess it wasn't really beer. It kind of smelled like...
It wouldn't have been beer back then.
It kind of smelled like the moonshine mash.
It would have been ale.
Well...
Or mash.
I got a real strong whiff of it under the tree. I didn't see no bottles laying around.
I was seeing something up here.
What did you see?
I don't know if the camera got it or not. It was like a white figure that was walking in a march. It was crossing the road. Right there about where that sign is.
Remember, guys, if you heard or seen anything, please put it in the comments.
I don't know if it's my eyes playing tricks on me because I want to see it.
Maybe this is
But there were so many deaths in this area from this war.
See if the smell is still here. Double check the water or anything. That was weird. I've never had a scent happen.
I don't think it's bottles in here.
Well, you never know. It doesn't hurt to look to verify yes or no. Am I right?
I don't either.
I don't smell it.
No. Said I don't think there's any. I didn't think there'd be any bottles in here.
Yeah, but I had to verify for myself. You think we should do a spirit box here?
Maybe we can.
A little one?
Yeah.
Something?
Maybe we can do it in front of this monument here.
Maybe I could set it down so my fingers don't get cold.
What is that? I'm trying to see what that is over there. Oh.
It's another monument. There's a scat of monument.
We gotta check that one out. That one has names on it. They look like. I keep hearing it. It sounds like a drum.
Let us know in the comments if you guys are hearing the drums and occasional bang or... The vehicle down there. Stopping. Alright guys, right when we saw that vehicle pull up when we were at Devil's Den, our battery shut off, so we walked on down in the vehicle to get the other battery, and it ended up being park rangers, so we had to leave. We pulled off to the side of the road after we left the park to do this closing for you guys. So, like always, if you heard or seen anything, please put it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until our next adventure, thanks guys.